Namaste dosto, this is Akshay Makar and I welcome you all to the Desi Disruptor Show where we uncover everything related to the geopolitics and how it impact India. आज हम एक ऐसे रीजन के बारे में बात करेंगे जो कभी दुनिया का दिल हुआ करता था, सेंट्रल एशिया। ये वो जगह है जहां से आइडियाज, कल्चर और ट्रेड रूट फैलते थे, बट फॉर डेकेड्स इट हैज बीन साइडलाइंड, अ फॉरगॉटन चैप्टर इन द हिस्ट्री। लेकिन अब वक्त बदल रहा है दोस्तों। सेंट्रल एशिया इज मेकिंग अ कमबैक एंड इंडिया has a big role to play in this.
Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan and Tajikistan. Together, these countries form what is called Central Asia, the heartland of the Asian continent. The Western world calls them the stars.
Central Asia is not just some countries on the map. ये वो रीजन है जहां से सिल्क रूट गुजरता था, connecting Europe to the Asia for centuries. This region was the melting point of civilization, a hub of innovation and the crossroad of trade, responsible for nearly 25% of the global GDP in 13th century. Today, Central Asia is home to more than 72 million people, जिसकी combined GDP is over $340 billion, which makes it a significant economic player. But it's not just the numbers दोस्तों, it's also the strategic location. Central Asia is partnered with the major countries like China and Russia, and it has the vast amount of natural resources which is estimated to worth trillions of dollars, making it a geopolitical hotbed. 2024 में ग्लोबल डायनामिक्स बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है. The world is at war and Central Asia is facing the shocks of it. The Ukraine war has sent the shockwaves through the global economy. जो war 2022 में start हुआ था, according to World Bank, it contracted the global economy by 4.8% and that really impacted countries like Russia. तो अब बात क्या आती है? There has to be the shift in the trade routes. And Central Asia lies at the crossroads to take the maximum advantage of it, with Russia supplying the energy resources and its resources to the South Asia and China through the Central Asia routes. Ukraine war के अलावा China is taking the advantage of it. China, with its Belt and Road Initiative, also known as BRI, is stepping into the vacuum left by Russia. They have invested over $150 billion in the Central Asia as part of the BRI, building roads, railways, and the pipelines. This is a major opportunity for the region's development, but it also raises the concerns about China's growing influence in the Central Asia, which is an alarm to the India. आज से 800 साल पहले सेंट्रल एशिया से हमारा सिल्क रूट निकलता था. वो सिल्क रूट आज फिर से रिवाइव हो रहा है. सेंट्रल एशिया इज विटनेसिंग द रिवाइवल ऑफ द हिस्टोरिकल रोल एज द ट्रेड हब. न्यू इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट लाइक द मिडल कॉरिडोर and the Trans-Afghan Transport Corridor are being developed to connect the Europe to the Asia, bypassing traditional routes that have become unreliable or very expensive. The Middle Corridor, for instance, aims to reduce the transit time from Europe and China by up to 40%, and that will directly transform into the cost saving for the transport company and the businesses in both continents. These type of corridors from the Central Asia would provide a great opportunity for the businesses in Europe and Asia to thrive, providing a faster, cheaper and more secure routes. और इंडिया इस खेल में एक अहम प्लेयर बनने वाला है. वो कैसे? आइए जानते हैं. India has for long understood the importance of Central Asia for the growing our businesses and also the relationship with the Central Asia. Our bilateral trade with the region has grown steadily, reaching $2.4 billion in 2023. We have also invested in key sectors like energy, फार्मास्यूटिकल एंड इंपोर्ट्स ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, और ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे लिए। हमें सेंट्रल एशिया में अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़ाना होगा ताकि हम चाइना को काउंटर कर पाएँ। चाइना जो आज $150 बिलियन डाल के बैठा है सेंट्रल एशिया में, इज ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लॉइटिंग द रिसोर्सेज ओवर देयर। वी हैव टू एक्सप्लोर द अपॉर्चुनिटीज वेयर वी डू नॉट एक्सप्लॉइट बट build a relationship that could help both the Central Asian countries and India to grow our relationship with one another, that could impact the economic opportunities. And to do so, government policies play a very important role. Our Connect Central Asia policy is an example of that, जो कि हमारी commitment दिखाता है towards the growing partnership with Central Asia. We have not just been building the roads and the railways, we have been building the bridges of the friendship and the cooperation. We are also actively participating in the multilateral forums like the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, also known as SCO, where we can collectively address the regional challenges and can bring it in front of the global community to address the issues in the Central Asia. जैसे जैसे अब इंडिया प्रोग्रेस करेगा, वी हैव टू गेट इनटू द मोर एंड मोर मार्केट्स, एंड सेंट्रल एशिया इज अ वेरी बिग मार्केट. सेंट्रल एशिया इज नॉट ओनली द स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनर फॉर us, it is a gateway to the vast and the dynamic market. The region has a combined GDP of over $340 billion, with Kazakhstan leading the pack at $194 billion as per the 2023 data from the World Bank. And this region is also rich in the natural resources. For instance, Kazakhstan alone holds 12% of the world's uranium reserve and is the 9th largest oil producer globally. So this could really impact not only the growing relationship but also the business type within the countries, especially impacting the India for importing the oil from the nearby countries like Kazakhstan. अगर हम मोटा बात करें, India can benefit from the growing relationship with Central Asia in 4 major points. Number 1, trade and investment. We can access the new markets for our goods and services such as pharmaceutical, IT services and agricultural products. For instance, India's pharmaceutical exports to Central Asia have already grown by 15% annually over the past 5 years. We can also invest in the key sectors like energy, transportation, infrastructure and mining that could only benefit Indians ourselves. Number 2, energy security. हम लोग जानते हैं कि सेंट्रल एशिया के पास वास्ट अमाउंट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज है जो कि हमारी एनर्जी नीड्स को पूरा करने के लिए काफी हो सकते हैं. सो इंडिया कैन बेनिफिट फ्रॉम द TAPI pipeline which is going through the Turkmenistan, Afghanistan and India, which once will be completed will be able to transport 33 billion cubic meter of natural gas which can help India achieve our energy security. Number 3, geopolitical leverage. हम लोग जानते हैं चाइना का काफी इन्फ्लुएंस है सेंट्रल एशिया में, बट जैसे जैसे हम लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़ाते जाएंगे, हम लोग भी एक अपना लेवरेज लाते रहेंगे इन द सेंट्रल एशिया. बाय एंगेजिंग विद सेंट्रल एशियन कंट्रीज थ्रू इनिशिएटिव्स लाइक कनेक्ट सेंट्रल Asia policy, India can foster the closer ties with the Central Asian countries. और नंबर 4, cultural exchange. Historically, हमारे Central Asia के साथ काफी अच्छे cultural exchange रहे हैं. We need to revive that. We share a deep historical and cultural connection with them. And जैसे जैसे हम लोग people to people exchange करेंगे, educational collaboration बढ़ाएंगे और cultural events बढ़ाएंगे, we can strengthen these ties once again and एक better, more interconnected world बना पाएंगे जहां पर India और Central Asia close आ पाए. सेंट्रल एशिया में इन्वेस्ट करके, उनके साथ स्ट्रॉन्ग कोलैबोरेशन करके, इंडिया विल नॉट ओनली इम्पैक्ट आवर ओन फ्यूचर बट वी विल ऑल्सो बी स्ट्रेंथनिंग द ग्लोबल सिक्योरिटी एंड द सेफ्टी बाय प्रोवाइडिंग द मोर स्टेबल एंड मोर प्रॉस्परस रूट्स गोइंग थ्रू द सेंट्रल एशिया टू द इंडिया फॉर द ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी. The re-emergence of Central Asia is a geopolitical game changer. India, with its strategic vision and the proactive approach, is well positioned to reap the rewards of this transformation, not only in the business terms but also in the cultural and the more influence terms in the Central Asia. We are not just building the bridges with the Central Asia, but we are also providing the opportunity to the businesses in Europe to come through the Central Asia and explore the other markets within Asia and South Asia, specifically India. India can be the heartland of this reviving nature of the Central Asia. आप क्या सोचते हैं इस बारे में? अपने थॉट्स जरूर शेयर करें हमारे साथ. अगर आपको आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, इस वीडियो पे कमेंट करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ जरूर शेयर करें. तब तक के लिए दिस इज अक्षय माकर साइनिंग ऑफ.